In today's video, we are going to look at pieces from Walmart that will transition you right into spring. My name is Theresa. I'm so glad that you're here. Now let's get started. I do want to say a huge thank you to today's sponsor, Earth Breeze. I'm actually pretty excited to talk about this because what's inside of this tiny little packet can do up to 60 loads of laundry. You're not going to believe it. Let's look at the first spring transitional piece from Walmart. The first piece that I want to talk about is a dress. I did a couple of shoe videos. I will try to remember to link one in the cards above, and I kept pulling these dresses to style them, but I never talked about them. This dress is by the brand Time and True. They're calling this the Smocked Eyelet dress. It is $24.98, which I don't think is bad for a one and done outfit. This comes in sizes extra small through 3XL. It is available in 5 colors and patterns. I'm showing this dress in 2 colors because I wanted to show it in both a solid and a print. So the first one that I'm showing you, they're calling Shocking Pink. And this particular shade of pink is very much on trend for 2023. So I definitely wanted to include it. And I was also drawn to this pretty emerald green color with the Ditsy Floral. I am wearing both of these in a size medium for your point of reference. I do find that this fits true to size. The fabric on this one is 52% cotton and 48% rayon. I really like the high cotton content on this one. It makes it very breathable. This one also has super easy care instructions. It's just machine wash cold and tumble dry. This dress is an easy pull-on style with a square neckline, which I will circle back to. It has a smocked bodice, which really helps to cinch in the waist and give you a custom fit, but it's still very comfortable. It has short flutter eyelet sleeves with scallop trim and a tiered skirt. I have always loved the look of a sweetheart or a square neckline, but I was worried when I was looking at this on the hanger in store if I would be able to wear a regular bra. I honestly avoid wearing a strapless bra at all costs. I just don't find them particularly comfortable. This one I am happy to say I was able to wear my regular bra. The neckline of this dress ended right where my bra straps started, so just to err on the side of caution, I did wear a nude bra. One of the reasons that I think this dress makes a beautiful transition piece is because while it's still a little bit chilly out, you can definitely top it with a jacket, and I often do that in the summer anyway if I'm in a heavily air-conditioned restaurant or store. But then when it's really hot out in August, you could wear this just as it is, maybe with a pair of cute wedges, a little straw bag. The next transitional piece is also a dress. I do have to admit that this was not my favorite on me, but just in case this is right up your alley, I want to talk about it. This one is also by Time and True. They're calling this the Eyelet sleeve dress. It is $17.98, which I think is a great price for a dress at under $20. It comes in sizes extra small through 3XL. This dress is available in 4 colors. I'm showing what they're calling dark navy. I am always drawn to navy in the spring and summer. It's just one of my go-to colors, so I really wanted to love this one. I am showing this in a size small, and I will circle back to that. It also comes in some pretty pastel colors. There's a lilac and a peach. The fabric is 100% cotton, so it is very breathable. The care is also super easy. It's just machine wash cold and tumble dry. This dress has an easy pullover styling, a scoop neckline. The body is a comfortable slub knit. It has pretty eyelet lace sleeves with elastic at the wrists and a ruffled hem. Now I knew that this dress was supposed to be a relaxed fit, but I could just tell by looking at it on the hanger that it was going to be very big. I currently wear a size medium because, you know, potato chips happen, and I could tell looking at the medium that that was just going to swallow my frame. So I did go one size down to a small, and even in the small, I just thought this dress was completely shapeless and overwhelming on my frame. Now in hindsight, I wish that I had pulled a belt and tried it with a belt because it needs something, in my opinion, to give it a little bit of shape and to define the waist. But with that said, if you're actually looking for something to be very loose and flowy, and I get it when it gets hot out, this might be the dress for you. The next transitional piece that I want to share with you is an online purchase because it is from Sofia Vergara. They're calling this the Peplum top with puff sleeves. It comes in sizes extra, extra small through 3XL. It is available in 2 colors. I'm showing the white. It also comes in a really pretty black. It's a deep, rich black. The fabric on this one is 100% cotton, so again, very breathable. And also the little eyelet treatment on the sleeves makes it cool as well. The fabric is super easy care, just machine wash cold and tumble dry. Speaking of laundry, I'm going to take you with me because I need to throw in a load of towels into the washing machine. Earthbreeze got rid of everything wrong with old-fashioned laundry detergent, namely the bulky plastic jugs. Did you know that 91% of plastic ends up in a landfill, and over 700 million laundry detergent jugs end up in landfills and oceans every year? Bulky liquid detergent can be up to 90% water, and that's water, ironically, that you have to lug into your house in the first place. So since your machine already uses water, it seems kind of silly to carry it around when you think about it. The powerful Eco Sheets from Earthbreeze look like dryer sheets, but they're not. It's detergent that dissolves 100% in hot or cold water in any type of machine on any cycle. There's no measuring, you just toss it in. Earthbreeze is dermatologically tested, safe for sensitive skin, and the packaging is compact and even biodegradable because it is completely plastic free. Your flexible Earthbreeze subscription can be adjusted, paused, or canceled anytime, and they even give back with their Buy One, Give 10 initiative. With each purchase, 10 loads of detergent is donated to a charitable cause of your choice. 100% satisfaction is guaranteed or your money back, no questions asked, and no return necessary. Most importantly to me, Earthbreeze is tough on stains and removes odor so that you can get a powerful clean. Here I'm showing a headband that I use all of the time, and it was covered with makeup. I didn't do any pre-treat and it came out immaculate. Go to earthbreeze.com/Theresa Rene to get started with 40% off. That's earthbreeze.com/Theresa Rene for 40% off your subscription. And if for any reason you don't like it, Earthbreeze will give you a full refund. Now let's get back to that top we were talking about. This pretty top has a sweetheart neckline. It has a figure-flattering fitted bodice, which I will circle back to, and it does have a smocked back, which I think makes all of the difference as far as comfort with this one. And then it has these pretty puffed eyelet sleeves with elastic cuffs and a peplum hem, which in my opinion hides a multitude of sins. Now for this one, I do recommend that you go up one size for a couple of different reasons. One is that it is 100% cotton, so naturally I expect a little bit of shrinkage when it's laundered. And then the second reason, this is very fitted. Now I love the way this looks, and as I mentioned, the smocked back does make it comfortable, but even with that said, it was a tight fit. So I would go up a size. I think that this is so pretty though. I love the sleeve detail. This one I was also able to wear a regular bra with, and once again, because of the cut of it, my bra straps were just beyond the edges of the top, so I wore a nude bra just so that when I move, nothing shows. I absolutely love this one. I would love to know what you think about it though, so let me know in the comments down below. The next transitional piece is a top that I picked up in store. This is by the brand Time and True. They're calling this the short sleeve peplum top. It is $13.98. It comes in sizes extra small through 3XL. It is available in 4 colors. I'm showing what they're calling mauve glow in a size small. I will circle back to that. It also comes in black, a pretty powder blue, and also a yellow that's more of a marigold. The fabric on this one is 100% cotton, and I have noticed lately that Walmart has more and more 100% cotton pieces, so I am happy about that. This one also has easy care instructions. It's just machine wash cold and tumble dry. This top has pullover styling, a U neckline with decorative button trims. It has a ruffle trim at the waist and a peplum hem, which typically I am a fan of. There is just something about the drape of this top that I didn't care for. Now it could be related to the fact that I have narrow shoulders and I'm short-waisted, but right where all the flounce and ruffle was, was the tummy area on me, and that is just the last place that I want to make look wider. I really didn't feel like this top was salvageable on me, but if you are longer waisted, if you have wider shoulders, this might fit you just fine. I did go down a size because I could tell looking at this in the store that it was very wide and very boxy, but even the size small I felt like overwhelmed my frame. In early spring, it can still be chilly in the evenings, so I want to show a lounge set that I think is really pretty. Now, I would wear this as a set, but I do want to point out that these pieces are sold individually, which sometimes comes in handy because you might want a different size in either the top or the bottom, especially if you like a little bit of an oversized look with a sweatshirt. Both of these pieces are by Reebok. It's the Level Up line. This is the Crewneck sweatshirt for $25. It comes in sizes extra small through 3XL. These mix and match pieces are available in 4 colorways. I'm showing what they're calling Lavender Fog in a size medium for both the top and the bottom. It also comes in black and a taupey mushroom and also a pretty salmon rose. The fabric is 62% cotton and 38% polyester. These have easy care, just machine wash cold inside out and tumble dry. This crew neck is a perfect top to just throw on when you want something casual and cozy. It's made of a soft French cotton terry. It also has a side zipper pocket on the arm, which is perfect for a house key or a gym card if you're going out and about and you don't want to carry a bag. The matching jogger is $28 and it has a pocket on the leg that's big enough for most cell phones. I do kind of wish that this was a zippered pocket as well, but it does work for a phone. They also have a wide elastic waistband that's very comfortable with a working drawstring for a custom fit. I really like the contrast stripe that trims the leg on this one as well. I really like having a cozy, comfy option when I'm at home, especially when it gets chilly in the evening. Speaking of cozy, I also did a spring PJ video a little while back. If you haven't watched that one yet, I found some really cute PJs. I will link that one in the cards above as well. Just in case you're curious about the top that I'm wearing, this is from Cato. I am going to feature it in an upcoming video, but I have to be honest, as I'm looking in the viewfinder, I don't think this is a good color on me at all. This tangerine color is more of a yellow base, and typically when I wear oranges, they have to be blue based, if that makes sense. In fact, let me know in the comments down below what you think of this color on me. Because we're talking about spring transitional, I want to circle back to a couple of pieces that I shared briefly in other videos, and when I watched the footage back, I decided that I wanted to pick up a second color. So these are kind of my favorites among the last couple of my videos. I picked up this Peplum style top in store by Time and True. This one is $16.98. I loved it in the yellow, and I did go back and pick it up in this pretty soft pink. These are lightweight, easy breezy. They come in a ton of colors. Love this one. Another favorite for spring transition is this ribbed knit tunic length hoodie. If you are a leggings girl, if you like to wear skimmers or capris, this is going to give you that coverage. I have this one now in 3 colors. I have this mid-tone blue. There's also a gorgeous, it's almost a Barbie pink, but it's a mid-tone pink. I also have this one in yellow. So many of you commented on this one. I just wanted to mention it and let you know. I will be linking this in the description box below. Most sizes are still available on the Walmart website. And rounding out my spring transitional favorites that I went back and picked up another color is this sweater. I thought it was so pretty in this pink with the ombre effect. And then the last time I was at my local Walmart, I saw the same sweater in lavender. Lavender and purple is also very much on trend. I love the weight of this particular sweater. I recently started sorting through my closet just to see what I had for spring and also what might need to be replaced. And I noticed that I needed to replace some of my well-worn and loved sandals. If you need to refresh your spring and summer shoes, you're going to want to watch this video next. Thanks for spending a little bit of your day with me, and I will see you next time.